friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sauteed radishes. So I'll be cooking radishes in a frying pan. We need fresh radishes. I already washed them before making the video and trimmed the ends. We also need some oil for pan frying. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil or butter if you'd like. That would work too. And for seasonings, I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you like. So the first thing we'll need to do is to cut radishes into smaller pieces. I'll cut them into quarters. So just cut them so they're smaller and easier to cook through. Done. So now once I slice the radishes, I'm gonna go over to the stove and cook them in a frying pan. So now let's pan fry the radishes. So I'm going to add some cooking oil. And now I'm gonna add the radishes. And I will add the seasonings at the end of cooking, so not yet. And now I'm going to turn on the heat to high. And so let's wait till the pan is heated and the oil starts sizzling. So now the pan is heated and the oil is sizzling. So I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and mix the radishes so they cook evenly. So now continue cooking, mixing the radishes every 1 to 2 minutes until the radishes are evenly brown and tender. So now the radishes have been cooking for several minutes, so I'm going to mix them. So see they're starting to brown on the bottom. So it's important to keep mixing them. And now, if you think they're browning too fast, reduce the heat to medium. So I'm going to reduce the heat to medium so the radishes don't burn. And continue cooking, mixing every 1 to 2 minutes until the radishes are tender. So now it's been 22 minutes from the beginning and they're ready. And you can always try one and see if they're tender enough to your liking, and if not, you can always cook it a little bit more. And now I'm just going to season them. So just sprinkle the salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and mix them. Perfect. So they're ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. Look how nicely brown they are. And they're also tender and pierced with fork. This is a great low-carb side dish, a perfect alternative to potatoes. So let me take them out. Perfect. They look so good, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So it's tender, pierced so easily with a fork. Delicious. It tastes amazing. So good. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!